What is SEO and how does it work? Let's go about this topic. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of optimizing a website and its content to improve its visibility and rankings in search engine results pages, SERPs. The goal of SEO is to increase organic, non-paid, traffic to a website by making it more relevant and authoritative in the eyes of search engines like Google. Search engines use complex algorithms to determine which websites to display for specific search queries. SEO involves optimizing various aspects of a website to align with these algorithms and increase its chances of ranking higher in search results. Here's a general overview of how SEO works. 1. Keyword research. SEO starts with identifying relevant keywords and phrases that people are using to search for information related to your website's content. This helps you understand what terms to target and what topics to focus on. 2. On-page optimization. This involves optimizing various elements on your website to make it more search engine friendly. Key aspects include title tags, creating unique, descriptive titles for each page. Meta descriptions, writing compelling summaries that appear in search results. Heading tags, structuring content using appropriate headings, H1, H2, etc. URL structure, using clean, keyword-rich URLs. Content optimization, creating high-quality, relevant, and engaging content around targeted keywords. Internal linking, linking related pages within your website to improve navigation and spread link equity. 3. Off-page optimization. This focuses on building authority and credibility for your website through external factors. Key strategies include backlinks, acquiring high-quality links from other websites to signal authority and trustworthiness. Social signals, encouraging social media shares and engagement with your content. Online reputation management, building a positive online reputation through reviews and ratings. 4. Technical SEO, ensuring your website is accessible, crawlable, and indexable by search engines. This includes optimizing site speed, fixing broken links, improving mobile friendliness, using XML sitemaps, and implementing structured data markup. 5. User experience. UX providing a positive experience for website visitors is crucial. Factors such as page load speed, mobile responsiveness, intuitive navigation, and engaging design all contribute to better user experience, which indirectly impacts SEO. 6. Monitoring and analysis. Regularly monitoring your website's performance using analytics tools to track rankings, traffic, and user behavior. This data helps identify areas for improvement and measure the effectiveness of your SEO efforts. It's important to note that SEO is an ongoing process. Search engines continuously update their algorithms, and competition for search rankings is fierce. Staying up to date with industry trends, adapting strategies, and consistently improving your website's content and optimization is key to maintaining and improving your SEO rankings over time.